Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So I just want to give you guys a quick update of my cash secure put and cover call portfolio. And again, the stock market hasn't been doing so well. If you've been following, it's been declining for 4 days straight in a row. And my portfolio itself on paper isn't looking too great, and you'll see later on. And today I'm just gonna briefly go over what I'll be doing, and then also probably do one trade for you guys to see. And just going over on my stock right over here for my portfolio. So currently NEO, I still have this on. It's expiring pretty soon, so 120 is going to be in my well, it's going to be in my account for sure. As right now it's trading at $13.13. Right now my cost basis is $15.70, so which is pretty good. After this one expires, I'm going to go ahead next week, probably going to do another cover call. So that is that for NEO. Pinterest isn't looking too great as usual. Ever since I bought it, it continues to drop and drop and drop. So right now it's currently trading at $20.10. Cost basis $35.39. And you know, it pretty hurts. It hurts pretty much right over here. I'm gonna just leave it as is. Just let it do its thing. I'm not gonna reach for the bottom of the market and then buy. I'm gonna soon do something later with it, but not now. Palantir, oh my goodness, oh my lord. Palantir is trading at $7 right now. My cost basis for Palantir is around like 17.05 right now. $7. That's taking a beating, but it's okay. Like I said earlier in the past, if you're using your emergency funds to trade, it's probably not a good idea. This is just excess fund that I have to trade, and I'm fine losing, you know, seeing like on paper a couple $1,000s of losses. That's okay for me, but everybody's going to be different, and this is not to brag. This is just how I'm comfortable with, you know, having a setup like this, and I'm really thankful for it. And then the next one I want to talk about is Zillow group. Oh, this one, like I said before in the past, if it breaks that 40 whatever support line, it's going to continue to drop. And again, it's been dropping like not like crazy, but it's been fluctuating here and there. And just going here, I'm seeing, I'm not sure if I'm going to take any action on any tech stock for now, but it doesn't look too great. So I'm going to just go ahead and just market X on here for Zillow, because this one I made some money on it, but as of now I'm just gonna leave it as is. So I'm gonna just mark it, rename it, put a little X on here just so I know I'm gonna be closing this one out. So usually when I close these things out, I move it to the side and then not look at it. And the next one I want to talk about was Square, and good thing I pulled out, because right now it's trading at $84 right over here, and Square I had it, you know, I just made $1,000 or so within a couple months, which is pretty good. So I'm gonna close this one out. I'm not gonna look back at, well, if anything happens, if Square or you know, Block, I keep on saying Square for some reason. I know they changed their name already. So Block, if Block ever goes back up or do something random crazy, I'll go back in and just do a cover call or cash secure put later on in the future. But as of now, I'm just gonna mark an X just to, you know, say that it's been closed out. And the next one I'm actually gonna do is Xpeng right over here. Currently it's trading at $20.17 right now. After the 4-day beating, you know, all the tech stocks have been taking a huge beating, or the stock market in general. So Xpeng is currently trading at $20.15. I have my cost basis at $24.82, and a couple of weeks ago, I think it was 2 weeks ago or so, it closed out. That contract expired, and I kept my money. So now today I'm gonna go ahead and check it out and see what kind of options are available for trading. So normally I'll do the 30 days or so out, but this time I'm gonna go a little bit longer, 38 days out for expiration, so June 17th. Check out what kind of prices I'm dealing with. So since my cost basis right over here is $24.82, so I'm looking for a strike around like $25. And again, I am okay, like I said before, as getting my contracts or option assigned, because then I'm, no matter what, I'm making money. So like this is a $6,000 investment around so, and within a couple of months, or I think around 5 months or so, it's about $1,000 right over here. So give or take, if you do the math on that, that's about a 15-ish, a little bit over 15-ish percent return, or about 15% return within a couple of months. So which is good. That's what I've been hoping for, and that's what I want. And let me see if this is viable. So something like about 25 strike right over here. I have a 25 strike. Let's see this do. I'm gonna do a trade. Let's see. 25 strike. So the last price was $1. Mid price was $1.02. And again, I usually look for a delta of 30. It has volume, so it's gonna execute pretty quickly. So I'm gonna do something like this. Let's just put this a little bit. So I'm gonna have to unlock this trading thing. Okay, so let's see what we're working with. We're gonna do a sell. All right. So remember, I have 200 shares, meaning that there's 2 options I could play. So I'm going to do 2 right over here. Just 2. And the mid price, let's see, it's selling for 102. Let's do 102 for that. Let's see if I could do. Let's see. I hope it doesn't change anything else. So I'm selling. This is a call, by the way. I'm selling a call. Everything looks right. My max profit is 204. Hope it executes. I really hope so. The mid price is 1. And then I'm going to place my order. So everything looks right. I'm going to just hit sell. Oh, it actually got filled. Surprise, surprise. Okay. So go over to filled right over here. So Xpeng right over here. June 17th expiration and quantity 2. And my filled was average is $1.02. So let's go back over here and journal this in, so then you'll see what my cost basis is. So there you have it. I entered all this right over here. So my cost basis currently right now is $23.80. If I were to just go back here, prior to that it was $24.82. So after the entry is $23.80, and it's gonna expire in around over a month. So I'm gonna come back later over a month and probably gonna do the same thing over again. And again, if it get assigned, I'm happy to have it assigned, because this is over $1,000 within like 5 months or so. So there's June 6 months ish. If it gets assigned, I'm pretty happy with my returns on this one. I hope it get assigned, because the stock market is going crazy up and down. I was like, it's whatever. If it doesn't get assigned, I'll still go ahead and do a cover call on it. And again, hope you liked this update. If so, feel free to give it a like, and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads. And again, if you haven't downloaded Webull yet, or haven't signed up for Webull yet, feel free to do so. They're still giving you guys free stocks. And I'll catch you all later.